Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 6, leçon P, and it's the last lesson for Unité 6. And in this lesson, we'll see together le pronom complément Y. So in the previous lesson, we saw another pronoun, so it's the pronoun en, okay? And in that case, in this lesson, we'll see le pronom Y. Well, you pronounce it I, of course. So, le pronom Y, we'll say that it can replace un lieu, a place, okay? Or then it can replace la préposition a and then a noun of thing. And then we'll see how to construct it when you've got a negative form, okay? So let's see now for a place, un lieu. So let's see a question. Isabelle va en Finlande. So va, remember, it's aller, okay? And then en Finlande, in Finland. Isabelle va en Finlande. So of course, you will have many options to answer to this question. The first one would be maybe the more logical. Oui, Isabelle va en Finlande. So you just take all the elements that you had in the question and then you answer with that. Of course, in many situations, we won't, because French people like to use pronouns when it's possible. So the first option that we would have is to avoid repeating Isabelle, okay? So, elle va en Finlande, all right? And the other option we would have would be to avoid repeating this en Finlande, okay? So it's a place, it's a country, okay? And in that case, it does mean that it would be possible to use this Y, so I, you pronounce it I, okay? So, oui, elle y va. So keep in mind that it's a pronoun and then it should be here just before your verb, okay? Elle y va. Alright, so oui, Isabelle va en Finlande. Oui, elle va en Finlande. Oui, elle y va. Okay, so let's see another example now. So if you're using a name of a town, because previously we had a country and now it's a town, so it's Paris, okay? Isabelle va à Paris, so it's a question. Of course, you can answer like we saw previously. Oui, Isabelle va à Paris. First option, repeat everything, no problem. Second option, you just want to avoid repeating Isabelle. Oui, elle va à Paris. And then, last option, you just want to avoid repeating Isabelle and then Paris. Oui, elle y va. All right? And now it's a place. Cinéma. Okay? Isabelle est au cinéma. Oui, Isabelle est au cinéma. Repeat everything. Second one, you just don't want to repeat Isabelle. Oui, elle est au cinéma. All right? Third one, just want to avoid repeating Isabelle and au cinéma. Oui, elle y est. All right? Oui, Isabelle est au cinéma. Oui, elle est au cinéma. Oui, elle y est. Second situation when we can use this pronoun I or Y, it's when you replace it. When you replace this preposition a and then a noun of thing. Let's see now. Est-ce qu'Isabelle pense is to think, à son examen, exam, okay, to think about. Est-ce qu'Isabelle pense à son examen? First option, repeat everything. Oui, Isabelle pense à son examen. Second option, you just don't repeat Isabelle. Oui, elle pense à son examen. Third option, you don't repeat Isabelle, and same thing for à son examen, so oui, elle y pense. Alright, same concept, remember, y should come before the verb. Est-ce qu'Isabelle joue au tennis? So in that case, remember, it's au, but then au is clearly the combination of the preposition à and then the article le tennis, the, okay? So when you combine these two, you get this au tennis. So still, it does give you the information that it is the preposition which is modified. So still, it's possible to use this pronoun. Oui, Isabelle joue au tennis. Repeat everything. Second one, oui, elle joue au tennis. And the last one, oui, elle y joue. All right, so you can see that it's quite short. It's quite short, but it's quite useful because you don't need to repeat all the things that were stated in the question. Okay, so remember, as usual, the pronoun should come before the verb. All right, so now we'll see how to construct these sentences with the pronoun y, but then when you're using this negative form. Okay, est-ce qu'Isabelle joue au tennis? First option, oui, elle y joue. Second, non, elle n'y joue pas. All right, so negative form should be before the pronoun here. Okay, and then as usual, remember the ne followed by a vowel, they don't really get along, so should go away. So you take it away and you get ni, joue, and after the verb, you put your pas form. Okay? Isabelle est au cinéma? Oui. Elle y est? Non. Elle n'y est pas. Same thing, okay? Negation here before your pronoun, but then is going away, and then pas after your verb. Okay? So let's see now how you construct it with one verb. Alexandre va au concert? Oui, il y va. Non, il n'y va pas. Okay, so no changes from what we saw previously. Okay, so before your verb, and then here, when you get the negative form, your ne is coming before the pronoun, and then your pas is coming after your verb. Okay? When you get two verbs now. Alexandre va aller au concert? So it looks a bit strange, sorry about that. He's going to go at the concert. I know, I know, but it's just to show you how it works, and I don't want to change the sentence, okay? So, oui, il va y aller. Okay, so you can see here now that this pronoun y should be before the second verb, okay? Il va y aller. Negative form, non. Il ne va pas. Okay, so your negative form is before and after the first verb, and that's the key thing. Okay, and then your pronoun is coming before, sorry, your second verb. Okay, so your pronoun y should be always before your second verb. Okay, and now let's see how it will work if we've got composed tense like aller here, and it's at the passé composé form. So Alexandre est allé au concert. Okay, it's the past tense. Oui, il y est allé. Okay, so keep in mind that even if you've got two parts here, okay, it's only one verb. It's the verb aller at the passé composé. Okay, so it's composed. So we've got two elements, but still it's one verb. So it means that your pronoun y should be before. Il y est allé. All right, and then the tricky thing, normally it's the negative form at the passé composé. Look, non, il. So you put first the negative part. So ne. Obviously, this is going away because you've got a vowel, okay, as usual. Il n'y est, and then you put, as we saw previously in Unit 5, or I don't remember, I guess it was Unit 5 when I introduced the passé composé, you put this pas here between être and your participe passé form, okay? So, non, il n'y est pas allé. All right. I hope it was clear. Well, we'll do a break right now, but then I'm coming back quite soon for Unité 7, okay? But then if you want to check the previous lessons, they are here, and then the next lessons will come, but not today, okay? But it's youtube.com/imagier, and then the website is here, imagier.net, and it's waiting for you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.